cutting through here to let you see the new pilot. I'm not that crazy about this one for some reason. I don't know why. Could go left, but I like going the freeway and getting off at exit 3. dangerous ramp. They need to extend this on down so that people, well, they may come get on this way anyway, I guess. I don't know. Couldn't tell who that is. To the right is Kingsland, to the left is St Marys. Circle K, 279 credit. I wonder if it's 269 cash or is that 269 easy pay? We need to get that set up on our phone so we can do that. We punch in our app. I don't know if and sometimes we get 25 cents a gallon off at Circle K. East to the coast. We ought to have some interesting gadgets and gizmos to review. One is an FM receiver, a Bluetooth FM receiver, which receives radio signals. It'll hook to your phone. It has speakers. I don't know how good they are. But you can make calls through it. You know, it'd be the Bluetooth instead of the radio, because I don't have a Bluetooth radio. So we'll be trying it out, but it won't come till tomorrow. Gas it is at the Walmart. Find a van down here. A lot of these contractors are upgrading now that COVID's passed, getting the new vans. And doing so, turning loose of their old vans. There are a lot more older vans coming on the market. I need something like a 98 to a 2001, 2002 for still need it at a good price. Okay, we're going to turn in. This is the Walmart, isn't it? They just don't have that lit up. Cato. Yeah, Cato, Walmart. Okay. They don't have their sign lit up, so I guess they're not open yet. Let's see if people are. Yeah, there are people staying here. Cherokee like ours. Is that the thing for sale? A good looking little Cherokee. So it must be okay to stay at this Walmart. We got the trucks up here. And the campers. Of course there was a Cracker Barrel back there too. Looks like you've got 5 or 6, 7. Big bus. Cherokee. I don't think it's for sale. Got 2 big buses. You've got quite a few people staying. I don't think it's even a 4-wheel drive, is it? No, it's just a 2-wheel drive. We're not interested in it anyway. I would buy a real nice one or a real nice truck at a good price, but you're not going to get them at a good price if they're nice. Jeeps or trucks, we'll only buy 4-wheel drives. Now, I'd really like to have a 4-wheel drive van. I tell you what, we need one of them bad. Very bad. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's be a wrap. This is a 15-minute video.